Spencer was a social Darwinist and was of the opinion that society would progress by itself and that this evolution should not be interfered with. Spencer went to the extent of comparing social institutions with plants and animals. Thus he felt that social institutions would progressively adapt to their environment by themselves without any definite impetus. Spencer took Darwin's premise of survival of the fittest, where those people who could adapt to the social and natural environment would live while those who could not so adapt met with their end. Spencer also saw society as an organism, in which different parts or organs were interconnected and each had a role or function to perform in the overall working of the organism. Thus, unlike Comte, whose evolutionism was in terms of ideas, Spencer had the real material world which he wanted to explain, analyze and interpret. The evolutionary focus of Spencer is at least twofold. In the first instance, Spencer speaks of the size factor in social evolution. Thus, as the size of the society increases, so do the various infrastructural and institutional need and requirements. Differentiation and specialisation begin to manifest in every sphere, and the fact is that both the size and complexity of a town is very different from a metropolitan. According to Spencer, the size of a society increases by various groups amalgamating and bonding to form larger societies. Thus Spencer viewed increase in size from that of a simple community to that which is complex or compound. Another evolutionary schema that Spencer offered was that of militant to industrial societies. Militant societies are early forms of organization meant mainly for defense of a society or aggression towards another society. Such violent attitudes were in themselves responsible for increase in the size of a society, which was so important for social evolution. Yet when industrial societies are established and warfare becomes dysfunctional and obstructs evolution, industrial societies are noteworthy for their human interaction and high specialization. The state is simply a monitoring agency, and its basic role is to keep law and order. This is because industrial society represents in Spencer a quantum leap from militant societies, and such societies move towards their own perfection. Provided a society is strongly bonded and harmonious, it will survive. But if there is weak bonding and internal social fissures, it would, according to Spencer, die out.